Hello everybody, my name is Valerie. I'm here to bring you a Photoshop tip on how to create shading and highlight or whatever color you want inside your drawing. For me, I use a tool called Clipping Mask, which I'm going to show you right now. And to do this, you want to create a new layer while keeping your original image. Like for example, I have this red circle, and you want to create a new layer. And then you want to right click on your mouse, and you want to select the create clipping mask, and these will be the hotkeys for it. So what this does, it keeps everything inside your drawing. For example, it's like drawing inside the lines. If you remember in your when you were younger and you were coloring inside the coloring books and you didn't like drawing it outside the lines, this is basically keeping everything inside your image and preventing anything out. So I'm going to show you an example right now. I have a dark red color, and I'm just going to color inside the circle. As you can see, nothing is going outside the circle. Everything is staying within my image. And you can also erase inside the clipping mask if you don't like what you created, and it won't erase the original image you have. And you can also apply as many colors as you want. So I'm going to take a green. It's going to just scribble. And then a blue. And as you can see, it just holds it, keeps everything inside. And you can add as many of these clipping mask layers as you want, just by adding a new layer and just creating a clipping mask. And this new layer will stay all inside the circle, the red circle. So let me just grab another color. And it will also stay within the original image. So you're more than welcome to use as many of these clipping layers as you like for your photo. Just also a reminder that that if you erase the original image, it's also gonna erase the clipping mask too, as you can see. And you can also use your tools. Like for example, I'm going to use my smudge tool to smudge some stuff. This is only affecting the blue and red layer, but it will give you some unique designs and textures, whatever you're trying to do with your drawing. But yeah, this is how I color inside the lines in my drawings, and I hope this helps you in your creative journey. And I thank you for joining me. I hope this was a good tip and trick for you. And I'll be recording more YouTube videos for Photoshop for people who want to learn more little stuff about Photoshop. Alright, well, that's all for now. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.